makĩunanĩra njũng'wa na gũkuruhanagia arĩa magĩkorwo kana magĩkorwo magĩũkanĩrĩra itemi-inĩ rĩrĩa gũkoragwo magĩetha kĩhonia kĩa mathĩna maya mbere ya mũingĩ gwĩkinyagia ceceni-inĩ ya borithi.
Wengine saizi wako admitted hospitali kwa sababu ya mambo ambayo yanaweza kusuluhishwa. Serikali inaangalia watu waishi, wacha kifo ya kawaida ipate mtu.
Today we had community engagement meeting here to deliberate on issues affecting the members of the public for this area, Chebwek. And we've come here as a result of many cases, as a result of domestic violence, and also on the issue of love triangle. And we've decided to come here and engage the community on the need to solve these issues amicably using diplomacy. And we were just activating the structures that are in place, because normally we have structures, we have Pakumi, community policing and peace committees where they can solve these issues without resulting to death. For us, we value lives. That's why you see the government is committed to issues of security and giving it a priority. So this is just a measure to come and be proactive to ensure that the locals are safe and there are structures that can be used than resulting to these violent means.